dahil sa sobrang mahal na ng bilihin at sobrang hirap na ng buhay ngayon, kahit ikaw ay professional man o hindi, hindi na po sapat ang kinikita natin sa isang buwan. Sa video na ito, I will be sharing some tips on how to increase your cash flow. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga kapatid. Another video tutorial na naman tayo tungkol sa tamang pag-iipon. With proper education and application, you can be financially free. Ako pala si Jonel Abueva Isla, isa akong financial educator. Tawagin niyo lang akong Coach Jonel. Bago ko simulan ang topic natin ngayon, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button below, and of course, don't forget to like the video. Do not forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga newly uploaded videos ko on the right way of handling finances. Ang topic natin ngayon ay magbibigay ako ng tips on how to increase cash flow. Tara at matuto tayo! May dalawang klaseng tao dito sa mundo pagdating sa pagbabudget ng pera. Si Circle A at si Circle B. Si Circle A, ito yung mga tao na kapag nakatanggap ng monthly income, inuuna ang pagsisave at invest bago ang gastusin. These people will become wealthy in the future. Si Circle B, ito yung mga tao na kapag nakatanggap ng monthly income, inuuna ang gastos at utang. Kung walang natira sa sahod, ay wala ring ipon. These people will become broke in the future. Alin po ba kayo dito? Let's find ways to save more and spend less. And syempre, since we work very hard for our family, dapat lang din na unahin natin sila i-budget bago ang wants and needs natin. Kaya, when budgeting your finances, you need to pay yourself first. Here are the tips on how to increase your cash flow. So, number 1, reduce expense. And number 2, add multiple sources of income. So number 1, reduce expenses. So ito po yung mga steps kung paano mag-reduce ng ating expenses. So number 1, list all expenses in a month. Review nyo po lahat ng ginagastos nyo every day. Lista nyo po yan sa isang sheet kasama kung magkano ang ginagastos nyo per day for a month. So for example, ito po yung daily expense nyo noong March 29. So, lahat po na nagastos nyo for the day, for example, nag-milk tea po kayo, nagtaya kayo ng loto, nag-eat out kayo ng Jollibee with jowa, nanood ng sine, at nagpagas. So, i-total nyo po lahat ng ginastos nyo na for the day. So, dito sa example natin, ang total expense is nasa 1,400. And number 2, check if we spend the right way or the wrong way. How? I-eliminate nyo po yung mga gastusin that will not give benefit for you and your family. So, i-reduce nyo po yung mga expenses na hindi naman necessary, yet that will give high cost to your monthly budget. So, ito po yung mga example scenarios. So, number 1, i-eliminate nyo po or i-reduce ang premium cable to basic level. Pwede ding i-reduce nyo po yung number of lattes, alcohol, cigarettes each month. And eat out early or choose happy hour menus para hindi mapagasto sa pagkain. Re-evaluate your property and casualty insurance regularly. Bring packed lunch. Cancel gym membership kapag hindi naman nagagamit. Find alternate ways to exercise. I-cancel nyo po yung mga magazine subscriptions on automatic renewal. Mag-organize kayo ng errands and carpool with others. Instead na gagamitin nyo po yung sasakyan kapag umaalis kayo. Do own chores instead na mag-hire ng helper. Save on electricity like aircon, electric fan, flat iron, etc. Use coupons kasi makaka-discount po tayo kapag nag-grocery tayo. Own your own business, that is for tax deductions. Consider buying used cars instead of buying brand new. Play free video games instead sa mga subscription games sa internet. Cut down on online subscriptions. Avoid ATM fees, checking and savings account fees, overdraft charges, bounce checks, money orders, etc. Reduce gas and parking costs. So magkano ba ang masisave mo kapag nagka-carpool ka, naglalakad, nagbabike, or mag-take na lang ng public transport? Cut down on shopping like clothes, gadgets, and spend less on gifts for family and friends. We know the problem if we list down all our expenses for the day. Then, you will know which of the expenses are bad and good. As much as possible, eliminate all bad expenses. Okay, so number 3 step is to avoid negative temptation, the power to spend. Halos lahat ng mga Pilipino kapag nakatanggap ng pera, ang unang iisipin nila is paano gastusin. Don't be a slave to your money. Train your mind not to use money to spend. Number 4 step is to practice positive control of money. Kayo po dapat ang boss ng pera mo. You must have the power to control your money. Place it in a right vehicle. Alam mo ba na sa pag-iipon mo ng 67 pesos a day, earning 10% annually, you can earn as much? In 10 years, sa pag-iipon mo ng 67 pesos a day, magiging 420,740. In 20 years, magiging 1,512,040 pesos. And in 30 years, magiging 4,342,630. So, ang number 2 step in increasing your cash flow is add multiple source of income. Pwede kang maghanap ng side hustle while doing your active income. Tulad ko, I am a certified medical coder. While working as a medical coder, I can do my IMG business during my free time. I'll just make sure that my 24 hours in a day is profitable. So here are the following steps to look for other sources of income. Number 1 is to know your passion. When it comes to planning kung anong negosyo ang magandang gawin, look for a business that is in line with your passion. Gawin ang negosyo not by force but by doing it because you love doing it. Number 2 is to identify your skill. Perfect business is when you combine both passion and skill. When you identify what business suits you, take time learning. Because learning never stops when having business. So kung wala kang idea kung ano ang magandang negosyo, I'll be sharing to you the 9 best side hustles for Filipinos in this year 2022. So number 1 is freelancing. Number 2, financial advisor or insurance agent. Number 3, sharing economy. Number 4, buy and sell, item trading. Number 5, offering professional or trade skill services. Number 6, P2P lending. Number 7, vlogging. Number 8, live video streaming. Number 9, NFT gaming. Isa sa IMG ang top 2 best side hustle ngayon. Dito sa IMG, we are educating people how to properly manage their finances. Our product is financial education. So this is our mission to promote financial literacy to all Filipinos. Kapag gawin natin ang business side ni IMG, ang gagawin lang po natin ay maging financial educator. We will teach Filipinos kung ano po ang tamang way ng pag-iipon. We own a business, we own our time, and ang kagandahan isang IMG is online system. We help families achieve the income you want and we become debt-free. Here in IMG, you can be both investor and entrepreneur. We are given the opportunity to do the entrepreneurship program to achieve our goals faster by building our solid financial foundation. At the same time, ang IMG is a community of savers, investors, and entrepreneurs. We are guided by our mentors to do the system for us to become successful in the business. Kung pag-uusapan ng income, sky is the limit, kapatid. This can be a great venue for us to retire early and attain financial freedom. Pero syempre, depende sa effort mo. So yan po ang magiging expected na income mo kapag gawin natin ang IMG business. Always remember that the best passive income apart from being a saver or investor is doing the business. Ayun, sana marami kang napulot na aral dito sa video na to. You may share this video to your family and friends para sila din ay alam din nila kung paano mag-increase ng cash flow. Kung gusto niya magsimula, matuto at gawin ang business side ni IMG, scan nyo na tong QR code na to. At tara, usap tayo.